G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is January 30, 2023. This is the NASDAQ price update. Since our last update back here, the price has accelerated and broken through this descending diagonal trend line, and it's basically bounced off this key resistance area previously drawn. Now you'll notice it is still in a pretty strong downtrend as indicated by the CCI 1500. On moving average is still declining, although the stochastic has reached the oversold and bouncing off there very slightly to the upside. So there is a resistance area there, so just be mindful of that, and it's still in a pretty strong decline. However, on the lower time frames, if you choose to trade lower time frames, they are both in a bullish direction. So you can see if you're trading on the hourly, for example, you would have entered around that point there, which is the equivalent of the moving average of the CCI breaking above its moving average in that area there. So you can trade opposite to the direction to the higher time frames on the daily, for example. If you're trading on the 1 hourly, trade according to the direction of the 4 hourly, and likewise if you're trading the 4 hourly, trade in the direction of the daily time frame. But again, it's reached this key resistance area, and on the hourly as well, you'll see it's on the stochastic, it's broken up past the overbought and potentially turning down again. So we may see a slight retracement to the downside. If it does actually break to the past this resistance area, but especially if the CCI breaks past its moving average, then we're looking at a more bullish environment to trade long positions only, considering the daily, the 4 hourly and the hourly are also currently in a bullish momentum. To understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the playlist at the end of this video, and also some links in the description below. We did an average down recap over the weekend, and that's also in the description below. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.